Welcome to my channel mkarmakar. Welcome students. Here's the question. If alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree, then prove that x square alpha plus x beta is equal to x square alpha into x square beta. Square alpha plus left hand side sum of x square alpha x square beta. Right hand side product of x square alpha x square beta. We have to prove left hand side is equal to right side. So first consider left hand side or right, that is equal to x square alpha plus x square beta. Here another condition is given, that is may use alpha plus beta equal to 90 degree. See, obviously if we write sec alpha equal to 1 by cos alpha, similarly sec beta 1 by cos beta, after adding denominator will be cos square alpha cos square beta, that is equal to first thing show 1 by cos square alpha plus 1 by, now LCM cos square alpha into cos square beta and added cos square beta plus cos square alpha. We have to write numerator is equal to 1. See, solving cos square alpha and sin square alpha, there is a formula sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, that is 1. Use this formula, must be eliminated beta from numerator, but we can easily eliminate or write beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. As to show cos square beta is equal to 90 alpha plus cos square alpha, or as it is cos square alpha cos square beta. See, from the formula of complementary angle, cos 90 degree minus theta is the formula equal to sin theta. So must write cos 90 degree minus alpha is equal to sin square alpha plus cos square alpha by cos square alpha cos square beta, that is equal to 1 by cos square alpha cos square beta, that is equal to, here we should write, here already shown sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1 square alpha in square beta as 1 by cos alpha equal to sec alpha, and so here what is it is right hand side, therefore proved square alpha plus beta that is equal to 90 degree. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel mkarmakar, click on the subscribe button and turn all notification to get all latest videos. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If this video helps you learn something new, please share it with your friends.